Why microbiology? I mean, I used to ask my classes when I taught microbiology, why do you think we want to study microbiology? And usually the first question or the first answer was, because it causes disease. But the number one reason we should study microbiology is there's so many of them, and they're so diverse, and they're so amazing at all the things they do. There are more microbial cells in your body than your actual cells of your body. 1 teaspoonful of seawater or into the lake, 1 teaspoonful of lake water contains 1 million bacteria and 1,000 of these grazers. How do these diatoms, which live inside little glass houses called silica walls, how do they make that silica? How do they make that wall? And that's biomineralization. And that's a process we still don't understand. It's the reason that bones form. It's the melding of, in this case, calcium with an organic framework. That's biomineralization. In the case of this diatom, it's silicon and an organic matrix coming together to form this really hard material. A muscle shell, which is calcium and organic material, weight for weight is more powerful or more resilient to breaking than steel. It is a very hard material. And no one really understands the process.